Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can assign one of your organization users or team members to sign on the documents on your behalf. Beginning with going to settings and then going to my account, and then as you can see here at the bottom, we have something called delegation. Clicking on it, click on the plus sign on the right here, and then select a start date of the delegation. Let's say, for example, 5th of November, and an end date, let's say, for example, the 30th of November. And then from the bottom right here, select the member that you are going to delegate all of the documents within the specified period that is going to sign on your behalf. Then click on save. And now you have successfully added a member that is going to be your delegate. Please note that the documents that require verification, identity verification, or those that are received via SMS or WhatsApp need to be accessed and signed by you. So let's try to upload a document and send a signature request to see how the delegate is going to appear on the audit trail. So we're going to select a local document, let's say, for example, a job offer. And then once it is fully uploaded here, click on next, and then click on add me as a participant in the second step. Move to the third step, which is adding and placing the fields, say for example, the signature. And finally, review and send the document. So now let's go to documents to see the document right here, the job offer. As you can see, the status is waiting on others. And if we click on the three dots and select audit trail, as you can see here, we have Amal Abdullah is delegated. And the action at the bottom right here is that Amal Abdullah has delegated the signature request to Amal Uthman to sign on her behalf.